Hi, it's Alexander. Here I am in the showroom in Odense, in our store here. We have a very, very special deal for you this spring. As advertised earlier, we have a lot of clearance sale going on with genuine BMW rims. Let's have a look what we have left for you at an extra 5% off until the 22nd of March. Did you find anything you like? Go to schmiedmann.com now and find your rims for this spring and summer. Remember, we at Schmiedmann offer free shipping on all orders of above 167.5 euros within the EU. Voluminous parts excluded, of course, always. Worldwide shipping as well, and the best prices on parts guaranteed.